Hi guys, it's David. Today I want to talk a little bit about inflation, the rise of, the prices on everything from gas to food to, going to the grocery store. Everything is costing more money. So our hard-earned dollars, and for those that have been working tirelessly for a long time and looking at their retirement and put money into their retirement, guess what? The cash is not worth the same amount as promised, okay? As the government takes our money and prints more and more of it, it becomes worth less. So, if you have $100,000 in the bank, $50,000, 200,000, it doesn't really matter. If you million, those millions aren't gonna be worth as much because guess what? They have a money printer. They're hitting that button, duplicating, creating new dollar bills, and guess what? They print it all for free, use it for whatever they want, then tax us on everything that they want. So, it's not fair. It really isn't fair, especially those in the States, right? That being said, there's ways to prevent against those things. And some of those ways would be, I like cryptocurrencies. So I invest into various different cryptocurrencies that, it's basically the waiting game. So I buy Bitcoin, I buy Ethereum, I buy Hex, but there's alternative means to do so. You don't want to have all your eggs in one basket because crypto is very volatile. There's ups and downs. So if you're going up, it's really, really large amounts of momentum. But when it goes down, it falls down and plummets significantly. So some people can handle all that, especially if you're looking at your retirement savings accounts and things like that. You don't want to see your life earnings go to zero or very, very low. So another way to do so is investing into precious metals. So some of you guys might have like an IRA in the US. So it's an independent retirement account. So you can have that and diversify and control it. But, stocks and bonds and things like that aren't always 100% dependable, and either is cash. So an alternative for your IRA would be gold, silver, other precious metals that literally came from meteorites and crashed onto Earth and were held, valuable, right? Or dug in from the ground. People say that they know where gold comes from. It was pressed coal and all this stuff, but we really don't know. Precious metals are beautiful, they're amazing, and we can wear them, we can feel them, we can touch them. So even in troubled times, people are going to see luxury items as valuable still, right? Even if all the technology goes away and things like that, precious metals are very vital. Gold bar could be used as currency if all the computers shut down, okay? So just keep that in mind. It's been, thousands and thousands and thousands of years where precious metals were important, okay? Before the dollar was created. And guess what? The dollar used to be backed by physical gold. So you used to actually have a piece of gold and it would be backed. So they give you $1, the bank gives you $1, and basically they receive the gold and then they give you the dollar. And then you can actually cash your dollar back in for pieces of gold. But guess what? The government eventually took that away and said, you know what? We're going to take those rules away. We're not going to back it up by anything. And it's going to be as much as we want to print. So then they control everybody. So you want to diversify your portfolio. I'm not saying go anti-government or anything. I'm just saying you want to protect yourself in case some things go down. Some of the ways is cryptocurrencies. If you guys aren't advanced and you don't know how to get into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that stuff, you can watch my other videos. Today I'm going to talk about the gold IRA, the precious metals IRA. So if you have some money put aside for your IRA and you want to diversify a little bit, a company that I like and I've done a lot of research on because people have been asking me, what's the best way to go about this outside of crypto, then, Augusta Precious Metals, I did a lot of research on them and they have a really good trust in the community. So, they have plenty of reviews through Trustpilot and all these other different websites, and their service is actually, from what I've seen, amazing. So 5 stars. Yeah, they have a lot of people backing it as well. So that's what's nice. And they can actually store your assets into a safe place that's even outside of government control, which is great. Or you can have it sent to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. But you want to diversify your life, you want to diversify your portfolio. And one way to do so, if you guys have retirement and stuff like that, you want to hedge yourself against inflation, then, you know, a gold IRA or precious metal IRA might be something you want to consider. So if you guys want to learn more about, you know, precious metal IRA or Augusta Precious Metals, I will have a link down for you guys down below so you guys can check it out for yourself and, you know, do the research, right? You can talk to the consulting team there and they'll tell you more about how to get started. If you guys have, you know, funds put aside, you don't know exactly what to do with it, you don't just trust just anyone, then you can talk to the consulting team and they can explain to you what a gold IRA is. They can explain to you how to access your assets, when you wish. Okay, just something to think about. If you guys want to learn more about technology, you want to learn more about crypto, you want to learn more about gold IRAs, I will continue to do more videos for you guys. Just follow the channel, hit the like button, and like I said, I'll have all the information down for you guys below. You do your own research. Don't listen to me. This is not financial advice. But if you want to hedge against inflation and stop the money printing, you can't really stop it. But if you want to battle the money printing, then this is one way to do so. All right. Appreciate you guys watching today's video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more. This is for educational purposes only. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.